Hi Josh, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Charlene yesterday and I told her that I was going to send you this video. So I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I want to go through your competitors' sites really quickly. And then I just want to give you 3 ways that you can actually use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with the free information. And often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on the Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration homepage. So I can go through and everything looks really well laid out. However, I can tell that there are not a lot of keywords and that there's not a lot of content either. So Google's going to be ranking your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. So you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. I did a search. You have currently 598 words. We would definitely want to add some more content. We would also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out its bots and they are going to crawl your site and they are going to read everything and determine whether or not your content will help their users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And so, in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we also want to have the appropriate amount of keywords to fill that content with. We want to make sure that they're relevant, high volume keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. So over here, I've jumped onto Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is mold remediation Pittsburgh. This is a great keyword. It brings in around 150 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so right beneath the search bar here, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads are a really good way to get your name out there, build some brand recognition, especially while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. If you don't know what you're doing, though, you can definitely waste money on these. But if you do know what you're doing, they can be a really good way to get things moving quickly. And so right beneath that, here we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is a great place to be, and it's more important now with so many people searching for things on their phones. In order to make it to this front page, though, you have to be in a top 3 spot. And the way you do that is through having a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on a local directory online. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. Those are all good examples of highly used and highly trusted directories. So you want to be on more of those than these 3 businesses right here at the top. And so if I scroll down, here we have our organic search results. And so these are by far the most important. They should be the main area of focus. They are the best return on investment, and that is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to click on one of these organic search results, and they are almost always going to click on one on the first page, especially towards the top of the page. So here we can click on the first company page that comes up for this keyword. I did a word counter search on this site as well. They only have 847 words on this homepage, so it would be extremely easy to beat them out content-wise. However, the main way that you're going to get up here at the top of the organic search results is going to be through backlinks. And so a backlink is just a shout out from another website. The web is basically just made up of websites linking websites and businesses linking businesses. And so you want relevant, high-powered websites to link to your site. So, for example, if a local plumbing company or construction company were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way for your site to get power. And so right here, I've jumped onto ahrefs.com. This is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest looking into getting this. It is a little expensive. It costs me around $400 a month to use it, but it gives me a lot of great information. Like right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and I can see they have 203 backlinks from 26 different domains and are ranking for 478 keywords. So I can click on that and take a closer look at which keywords they are ranking for. So right here, it'll tell me the keyword, how many people are searching for that keyword a month, how many people come to their site from that keyword, and what position they hold for that keyword on Google. And so we can go through and we can see which ones are the most applicable to what you do, which ones bring in the most volume, and we can pick and choose which ones we want to use for your content. So now I'm going to go back, and the exact same way that we just went through their keywords, we can actually go through their backlinks as well. And so we want to look for all of the keywords that have a high DR domain rating. Not all backlinks are created equal. We want to grab ones that are relevant to what you do and have a lot of power behind them. And so they only have 200 backlinks, so it'd be extremely easy to beat. But do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one of the keywords, for one of the services in one of the areas you provide services in. So you guys have a lot of competition. I know that you're based out of a few different places around the country, so you would want to beat out all of your competition. And it looks like this website, they're only based out of Pittsburgh. So over here, I have typed in your website. As you can see right away, you guys have a lot more backlinks than they have from more domains that are ranking for 707 keywords. But also, like I said, you guys serve in a lot bigger and more areas than they do. So it would make sense that you have more keywords and more backlinks. So I can really quickly take a look. So here I can see some of the keywords you're ranking for. And so right away we can see most of them have Panhandle in the keyword. So if someone wasn't already looking for Panhandle, it would be a lot harder for them to find you. There are a lot more keywords, so let's just randomly jump to like page 5. So here we can see, even though these ones don't have Panhandle, some of these look like they are national keywords, like 24/7 restoration. Some of these are a little bit more location specific. So we would definitely want to focus on the keywords that are more location specific, have higher buyer's intent, and also the fact that you have this many keywords that you're trying to rank for, but you aren't ranking very highly for any of them, just tells me that we really need to focus on the best keywords and get better backlinks for you guys, because like I said, not all backlinks are created equal. And so that's what I have for you for today. To kind of recap what we went through is, number 1, we would want to add in more content with relevant high volume keywords. Number 2, we would want to get you some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And number 3, we would want to get more relevant high powered backlinks. So I have a couple other tools that I would use to kind of go through more in depth of what kind of backlinks you guys have and what anchor text you guys are using, because you have a lot of backlinks, but you are not getting as much traffic as you should. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can reach out to me. Please feel free to email me back or give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.